Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Matsa Surba Online English Lesson with me, Ratna Hidayati. This is an English video lesson for grade 9 of SMP or MTS. This time, we are going to discuss about advertisement, and I will only focus on service advertisement. Right, before we start, let's say the dua together. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyyan wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni min ibadika salihin. May Allah let our heart be filled with light and insight and understanding and knowledge. Amin. The Islamic base of our lesson today is Surah Al-Jumu'ah, verse 10. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فإذا قضيت الصلاة فانتشروا في الأرض وابتغوا من فضل الله واذكروا الله كثيرا لعلكم تفلحون. Once the prayer is over, disperse throughout the land and seek the bounty of Allah. And remember Allah often, so you may be successful. On a video lesson about advertisement with Pak Heru, we have learned types of advertisement. They are product advertisement, and then service advertisement, event advertisement, and job vacancy advertisement. And you have discussed with Pak Heru about product advertisement. And this time, I'm going to discuss only about service advertisement. We have also learned that an advertisement is used to inform, draw attention, and to persuade someone to purchase a product or use a service. And the purpose of advertisement text is to promote services or products. And also, the text structure of an advertisement text, they are head, body, and content. So, the aim of our lesson today is, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify information related to service advertisement. Now, let's have some examples of service advertisement. Look at this advertisement. What is being advertised here? Right, look at this. PC and Mac, computer repair specialist. Okay, so from here we can conclude that this advertisement, is about a repair service. Well, now let's continue by discussing about the structure. Okay, look at this. Which one is the head? Yes, this one is the head of this advertisement, computer repair specialist. And here is the body. Okay. In this body, we have some information about the services that can be done by PC and Mac, computer repair specialist. Okay, now what about the contact? Yes, right. There are two contacts. Okay, we can contact by phone or by visit the repair center. Okay, let's continue with the second example. What do you think is being advertised here? Right, it's a rental service. Auto Bali rent. Right, it rents car. Okay, now let's discuss about the structure. Okay, look at the head. Yes, this one is the head. Okay, Auto Bali rent. Okay, and then the body. Okay, here is the body. Okay, what are offered there. Okay, and then the contact. Right, there are two also. Yeah, two contacts. You can do by phone or by visiting the website. Okay, now this is the third example of advertisement. Okay, what service is being advertised here, do you think? Yes, it's a tutoring service. Okay, and the body here is head. Okay, learn English. And then the body. Okay, here's the body, beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels of class. Okay, a certified TEFL or teaching English as a foreign language tutor with 5 years experience. Okay, and the contact is, okay, this one. Okay, there are two contacts also. Okay, what about this advertisement? What is being advertised? Yes, it's a tour service. Okay, now let's look at the structure. The head, right? And then the body and the contact. Okay, now the next example. Okay, what is being advertised here? Yes, it's a delivery service. Okay, and the body is, the structure is the head, the body, and the contact. This one is clear, right? Okay, it's a cleaning service. Okay, and the body is here. The structure. Yes. Okay, next. Okay, we have had many examples of service advertisements. Okay, there are still many service advertisements, but we only have some of them. Okay, and here is the frequently asked information. Okay, the first is, okay, good or service being advertised. And then the target user. Target user here means who most likely will need the product or use the service. Usually it's implied, right? So we have to look at the information on the advertisement and then we conclude who is the target user. Okay, next is the selling point. Selling point here means the essence of what makes the product or service better than the competitors. And then the special offer, sometimes there will be a discount or guarantee. Okay, and then contact or phone number, address or website. Okay, and then detailed information. It can be any information related to the advertisement. It can be the language feature. Okay, based on the frequently asked information, now let's try to identify the information one by one. Okay, first is kinds of service. Okay, what do you think is the kind of service here? Right, it's something to do with electricity, right? Okay, so when we need a professional electrician, then we should contact this number. Okay, and then the target user. Okay, of course, The target user is those who need electricity, especially the residents. Yeah. And then the selling point. Okay, why should we choose this service? Right, it is stated here. Okay, the reason why you should choose this service. And then the special offer. Right, this one has a special offer. Right, it offers a discount, 10% discount, and it's limited by time. Okay, limited time offer. Okay, now let's look at the contact. Okay, here's the number to contact when you need the service. And some other detailed information. Okay, here. Right, the service. The services that can be done by a residential electrician. Right, now these are the texts. Okay, two texts that you should pay attention to do the exercise. Okay, the second part of the exercise. The first part of exercise is on the video with Pak Heru, and this is the second part of the exercise. Well, I think it's time to say goodbye. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Let's say Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. Okay, we will see you again on my next video lesson. Bye now. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.